Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I was just on YouTube and I saw this video that had 200,000 views in 2 days. The video was of a girl in spandex pants washing her car. So, perverts. You're not going to get spandex pants or a car washing in this video, but I think you'll like it. We're going to finally get the motor pulled out of the 49 and get that 350 that we dynoed a little while ago in the truck. We're going to first get it pulled out, then we're going to hook up this March pulleys on the front of it, and yeah, it's going to be a good video. So like I said, no spandex and no car washing, but stick around. It should be a good video. I hope you like it anyway. Alright guys, it's time to show the 49 some love. Let me turn this around here. We're up here at American Speed. And we're going to go in here, we're going to see if we can get some rims ordered for this thing. It definitely needs some new rims, so let's go see what we can do. Alright, because this wheel is so tight in here, we decided it's probably better off, so we don't make any mistakes, and that's going to pull the wheels off and run them back up there. The cool part about dealing with local small businesses like this is you get to go in and talk to them. And you know, they can help you out, and also you can actually walk around and touch the stuff on the walls and see. I mean, look at all the options, and you can just see it and touch it. So there's a lot to be said for local businesses. All right, so next step, we're going to get the rims off of there, throw them in the pickup truck. We're not going to make it back up there today because they closed at 12 o'clock and there's just not enough time, even though I got up early this morning. But we're going to get the rims and tires off the old beater and take them up there and get some things ordered. So next step, tires off. There goes the last ride with the old motor in it. We're going to take her down, pull her out, and get the new 350 in it. That's the last ride. All right, give her the last ride. Oh, I ran her hard too. Smoked the tires the whole damn way. All right, so now we're gonna just start taking her down, pulling the motor out of this one, getting the motor back in it, and yeah, be nice. And there's the motor over there. That's the one that ran 448 horsepower. So it should be nice. Got a bunch of chrome for it to go.
All right, you ready?
Ready? The only thing left to do is all the hoses are off, all the wiring's done, the pump is done. 2 bolts left on the transmission. Going to lift it up and drop them at the last minute. Tie up the converter and start to hook up and pull this bad boy out. So this one will definitely be out today, for sure. And then, like I say, we do some cleanup, and I got the radiator out of the front of it. Yeah, I tell you what, the cool thing about this motor coming out is this build isn't that old, believe it or not. So this motor and all the bolts aren't seized in yet. So we're doing pretty good on not bolts being tight or anything like that. So like I didn't have much problem today pulling any of this stuff loose. And last night, Jeff and I, we had it in the air. We started late last night, and we had no problems there either. But yeah, no, nobody had any problems pulling any bolts off at all. They were all ready to go. So shouldn't be too long now. And then with the Easter holiday coming up this weekend. We probably won't get it back in this weekend by the time I get it cleaned up. But it's coming, boys. It's coming. All right, so here we are. Starting to get some pulleys on, trying to figure out. I tell you what, these March serpentine pulley kit is awesome. When it's done, it looks good. But I'm telling you, their instructions, they might as well do that with a third grader. It was a little hard, so luckily we have another motor. Hey, look at it, it looks nice. Luckily we have another motor that we can look at. All right, guys, this part's for my AMC friends and family. You know I love my AMCs, mainly because my son-in-law and my daughter are really into AMCs. But we were in Ohio over the weekend, and we got to stop into Kennedy American. So if you don't know who they are, look them up. They sell new and used AMC parts. And when I say new and used, I mean they still have new old stock parts. They have vendors that are still creating parts for these cars so they can keep them going and keep them around for a long time. I mean, they have got parts upon parts upon parts. These two buildings right here, full of AMC new old stock parts, fenders and panels. And so you see here, they have new and used parts, and they're constantly rotating the used in and out of there so they can get you used parts or whatever. So remember, Kennedy American for AMC parts. Go check them out on their website. And like I say, there's more news coming from this in a little bit. But remember, KennedyAmerican.com, or check them out on Facebook. And even if you don't have an AMC and you're just a car guy, go check out some of the history on AMC. They're not with us anymore, so it's really cool. So stick around for more on this one and other videos. All right, guys, I tell you what, that trip to Ohio and to get to visit Kennedy American was amazing. The company is a great company. They're getting ready to be big changes, like I said in the video, and I am going to cover more on that. Yeah, it's a great company. If you have AMC, even if you don't, go check them out. So, all right. So update on the truck. We got the new rims on order. I've even actually booked an appointment to get the rims painted. We're going with the Steelies and a half moon or a baby moon. But I already booked my time to get them painted because that truck is going to Ocean City, cruising Ocean City next month. There are 3-4 days of just great show. So the rims are ordered and set up to be painted. The motor is out. We're putting it back together right now, and then we're going to drop it in the next video and then run it. We're going to take it out and just blow the tires off the damn thing. But it's the Easter weekend, so Jeff, my buddy with the lift, he's spending time with his family. I'm going to spend time with my family, and we're not really going to mess a whole bunch with the cars or anything like that. So big things are coming. So our winter shows are over, as y'all know, and thanks everybody for all the congratulations and the messages you sent me. The Dreamsicle did well. We did 4 shows and won all 4 of them for the event, so I couldn't be happier with the car. We do have Spring Carlisle coming up here. There is a video that I've done in the past at Spring Carlisle. It is just tons and tons and tons of vendors and parts. So there I'm going to get new bumper front and back for the Dreamsicle, and I'm also getting rims and tires for the trailer there. We also have one of my favorite local shows coming up. The first one is next Friday, so look for that video. I do them. You guys like both of those. You know, when I do the market show videos and that Spring Carlisle, it got a lot of views on it, a lot of compliments on. So I'm going to just bring you what you want to see while I'm having fun doing this, man. I'm just rolling through life, having a blast. Put the camera in my face so you guys can see what the heck we're doing, man. So anyway, I'm not going to ramble on. A lot of things are coming up here soon, and yeah, we had a good winter run. Now let's bring on summer car shows and summer time at the track. The track is open. I have been unable to go because my weekends have been plastered, full of stuff to do, but I'm taking the truck to the track. So we'll see what it'll run, right? So anyway, I'm rambling on. Thank you so much, as always, for watching. We'll be hitting 3,400 subs here real soon. So when I started this little channel, I never thought it would happen. And I mean, it's small time to most, but I'm loving it. And we got over 1 million, almost 2 million views on videos. So thanks everybody. And hey, we'll see you on the next video. Have a good one.